Hi everyone, so this is another testnet project and it's called Ari WALLET. You just need to download it from your favorite browser or your app store. Download it from your app store or your play store. Just search for Ari browser, download it. Then you come here, you're going to click on testnet. So once you click on testnet, you allow it to look like this. If you have been mining this airdrop project, you just need to come here and click on login. Enter in your email address or your ID and your password, but I'm just joining. I'm going to click here to sign up. So once you click on sign up, you're going to see step 1, agree to all, agree to terms of use, agree to collect and use personal information and all that. I'm just going to come here and click on agree all. I clicked on agree all here. This part that shows agree all, I click on agree all and I click on next. So I'm going to enter my email address. I'm going to enter my email address right now. And then I'm going to click on email verification. So do you want to send the verification code? I'll click on OK. So I'm just going to wait for them to send me a verification code. So I'm going to enter this that is reflecting on my screen. This is reflecting on my screen. I'm going to enter it right now. That's code XYQNVV. Then I'm going to click on OK. Then the verification code has been sent to my email. I'll click on OK. Then my phone can do what we call multi-window. So that is, it can open double apps, as many as possible, almost at once. You can see the email is right here. The email is right here. So I'm just going to click on that email. I'm going to click on that arrow chain. I'm going to scroll up to get the email. I'll copy this, then I'll minimize this app, and then I'll come here to this verification code and I'll paste just like so. And I'm going to create a password. Now you see password must be between 8 and 32 characters, at least one lowercase, that is one small letter, and one uppercase, one capital letter, then at least one number, then at least one special character. Then once you do that, you confirm this password again. So I'm going to do that. Now you need a referral code. I'm going to enter my referral code so that you see it and you copy it. You need a referral code. If you want to earn more, you need a referral code. So I'm going to enter my password. Then I'm going to enter the referral code of someone whose referral code I copied. Okay, at least one special symbol. I'm going to do that right now first. So I've entered the special symbol and you can see that all these here are showing the tick, like they're all showing all this tick here. Then I'm going to click on the next. Then once I click on next, I've successfully done step 1. So this one I'm doing where I'm signing up is step 2. So allow it to load, allow it to do its thing, and then it brought me here. So your master key completed, sign up, save master key. Master key is an essential key for resetting your password in case you lose it. If you lose a master key, there's no way to find. So this is my master key. I'm going to blur this. So I'm just going to click here to copy, and just like I usually do, I usually save most of this thing on my Telegram, on the default chat on Telegram, so I don't forget. So I'm going to save this and I'm going to click on OK. So once I click on OK, you're going to make sure you check in daily. This is similar to like Pi, similar to Credible Finance, similar to Ruby and all that. Just make sure you check in daily. And then there's usually like a quiz that they drop. I'll drop the quiz solution in the group, and yes, on the Telegram channel. So both on the paid and the free platform on Telegram. So even if you are a YouTube VIP and also my Telegram paid platform, just join the Telegram free channel. I'll be dropping the quiz answers, so you should be there. Then I'll click on this check-in. So you make sure you click on the check-in every day. Make sure you click on the check-in every day. So that is that. Then I just click on this close. Then it will show me processing. Now I'm going to see this quiz here. You're going to see it every time. So I'll click on go, but before then I want to save the address I copied, the master key I copied, right? I'm just going to click on this place that shows daily quiz. I'll click on the daily quiz because I want to put the daily quiz. So this daily quiz, it's asked to participate in the daily quiz and earn coins, right? So you get 30 RA plus bonus every day. So we'll participate in this daily quiz. How to participate? Take the quiz, choose the correct answer, get your coins after answering correctly. Events period March 4 2025 until coin runs out. So let's keep doing that. Let's keep doing this. So notice, limited to once per day. That is, if you answer incorrectly, no reward will be given. So I'm going to just click on this place that shows go, and I'm going to directly enter the one for today. So I'll click on go, and then it asks the concept of gas is mostly closely associated with which platform? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. The concept of gas is most closely associated with, the answer is Ethereum. So I'm going to click on this Ethereum, that is the B, and I'll click on check and allow it to rotate. I want it to rotate. You see, congratulations, you've earned 30 RE coins for answering correctly. So I said I was dropping the answers in the group. So I've done this daily check-in. I've done my quiz for today. This is under the dashboard. I already have this 110 RE. Then I'll click on this general. Once I click on this general, you'll see all this. Make sure you do all these tasks. Visit RE chain, join Discord, visit Telegram, visit Twitter. Please do all these tasks. Do all these tasks. So make sure you keep logging in daily. Do all your taxes for the day, and that is all.